This 2019 Forest River Sunseeker 2250LE is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, microwave, slide-out, water heater, TV, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, LP detector, awning, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2019 Forest River Sunseeker 2250LE is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton V10 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.